On today's menu, a simple and delicious recipe to curry you throughout the week. A scrumptious curried chickpea rice. Lei ho ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Will Young from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This rice recipe is incredibly delicious, super easy to make. You may already have all the ingredients on hand to make it tonight. A big thank you to today's episode sponsor, Shopify, which I'll mention in a little bit. As always, let's get started with the recipe first. Preheat the oven to 350. Slice half of the red onion. Place the red onions in a mixing bowl. 400 ml can chickpeas. You can keep the chickpea water or aquafaba for other recipes. Rinse and drain the chickpeas and add them to the sliced red onions. One teaspoon smoked paprika, pinch of salt, fresh cracked pepper to taste, a drizzle of avocado oil, toss, spread the chickpeas and onions onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Finally chop the other half of the red onion. Three to 4 pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. Finely chop 2 long green chili peppers. 1 tomato, diced. 2 cups basmati rice. You can opt to use any other rice you prefer, it'll be just as delicious. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times, get rid of the excess starch. If you've been following the cooking show for quite some time now, there's a good chance you've already visited the Young Man Cooking online shop, which is why it's so exciting that Shopify is today's episode sponsor. Shopify is an incredibly user-friendly, all-in-one commerce platform that anyone can start to build an online business regardless of technical ability or website building experience. Unlike online marketplaces, Shopify empowers entrepreneurs with a beautiful platform and tools to sell online, in person, and on all major social platforms. Our very own Young Man Cooking online shop has been powered by Shopify for quite some time now, and what started as a small space to sell a single cookbook grew into a shop now offering 3 cookbooks, Young Man Cooking merch, and even a plant-based sushi masterclass. Shopify is committed to helping entrepreneurs at every level, whether you're big business or just starting out. If you are just starting out, Shopify's new starter plan can help you set up a shop to seamlessly sell on your favorite social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Etsy, LinkedIn, and more, using Shopify's very own link in bio tool, LinkPop. To find out more information about Shopify's starter plan, you can visit shopify.com/youngstarter or check out that link in the description box below for a free trial with Shopify. Saute pan, medium heat. This here is a smoky, spicy, really delicious chili oil I made in the previous episode. Looks like I need to make more myself, but I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. 2 tablespoons chili oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. Fry in the chili oil for about a minute. Finely chopped red onions. Saute for a few minutes. Garlic and green chilies. Saute for a couple of minutes. Half teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. 2 teaspoons curry powder. Give the pan a good stir. Tomatoes. 1 teaspoon salt. Use the juices from the tomatoes to deglaze the pan and saute for a couple of minutes. Rice. Saute for about a minute. Two cups water. Turn the heat to medium-high and give the pan a good stir. When the water begins to bubble, turn the heat to medium-low. Give the pan a good stir, then cover and cook for 15 minutes. When the chickpeas are done, you can turn the oven off. Turn the heat off after 15 minutes and let the rice steam further for another 10 minutes. Transfer the crispy chickpeas and onions to the rice. Gently fold the chickpeas into the rice. Plate the rice generously. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve. You can now enjoy this delicious rice recipe with absolute confidence. This just looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. The contrasting flavors and textures in there are just delicious. First off, this dish is just visually stunning. It has this amazing kind of golden glow, and of course that pop of green color from the cilantro. You get this bit of a smoky, spicy flavor from the chili oil and the smoked paprika, and then you get that cilantro that just lifts everything up with that freshness. The roasted chickpeas add this kind of nice crunchiness, which goes so well in contrast to that fluffy rice. That curry powder gives that dainty rice this extraordinary flavor, in addition to the garlic, the onions, and that tomato that we use to deglaze all of that delicious flavor out of the pan and back into the rice. With each bite, you get this pop of incredible aroma from the cumin seeds, the coriander, and since the garlic is coarsely chopped, you can actually get some chunks of that delicious garlic as well. Truly a dish that is simple to put together, doesn't require a lot of crazy ingredients, but absolutely delicious and turns your home kitchen into an amazing restaurant. Like I always say on the channel, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out, take a sneak peek inside, or pick up your copy of one of the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. To check this out, the Young Men Cooking merch or the plant-based sushi masterclass, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all those things. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell click, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.